Hopes are high and the outlook rosy on higher rice production and lower prices in the last quarters of the year, with the distribution of high quality and higher yielding rice seedlings, expanded irrigation and adjusted planting schedules that could up production per hectare to up to 7 tons from 4.5 per. And as our Clazel Pardilia reports, the cost of eggs has risen substantially of late, given a host of adverse circumstances, and could likely sustain over a period of time if production remains below par.
Eggs are not only the most affordable source of protein, but also a staple in traditional Filipino breakfasts and essential for holiday season treats like leche flan and cakes. However, prices are already rising ahead of the burr months.
So, yung deliver, tataas ng 5 piso. 210 po ang medium ng karang buwan.
Ngayon po?
Is ano na, 225. Kasi yun nga, ano na, magbe-bear na, gano'n na. Tapos pasok ka na. Kaya gano'n nagtataas ang presyo.
According to the Department of Agriculture's price monitoring, the cost of eggs has increased by 50 centavos to 1 peso and 50 centavos per piece this August compared to June. Small eggs now cost 5 pesos and 50 centavos each, while jumbo sizes can reach up to 10 pesos. For those on a tighter budget, extra small or peewee eggs remain the most economical choice.
Dati po kasi medyo malalaki siya ngayon dahil nga po sa pagtaas ng itlog. So kailangan kong diskartehan. Instead na sunny side up, ang ginagawa ko na lang po is scramble para medyo lumapad siya, lumaki siya tingnan.
At yun po ay nakaka-apekto naman sa atin ngayon dahil tumaas naman po ang demand. So, pangalawa po, may contribution pa rin po yung pabago-bago na panahon. Ang result po nito is yung mga diseases, no, in general. Ang resulta po nun ay pagbagsak po ng production.
The Philippine Egg Board Association reports an increase in egg prices, driven by reduced production from several layer farms. These farms have scaled back operations following financial losses in the first quarter of the year, which were attributed to an oversupply of eggs. Additionally, the cost of corn used to feed has surged, further contributing to the higher prices.
Price monitoring ngayon ng medium-sized egg, 6.80 hanggang 7.20 per piraso. Ito na po yung presyo noong December last year. Ang worry po namin is baka ma-extend na po ito hanggang December, no, end of this year. Pero continuously ang ating industry ay nagre-repopulate. Hinahabol po natin yung pagtaas po ng demand towards December. Pinipilit po nating habulin yung kakulangan na supply ng manok.
PEBA has warned a possible trend of rising egg prices is likely to persist. The group is coordinating with the Department of Agriculture to help reduce poultry costs. They are also urging the DA to expedite the availability of vaccines against bird flu.
Tutulong ang department sa kanila. Kagaya nung sa ASF vaccine, katuwang natin dyan ng FDA para masigurado na yung vaccine natin ay talagang safe and effective.
The DA is also focusing on further reducing rice prices with the help of the Masagana Rice Industry Development Program. They will distribute high-quality rice seeds, expand irrigation, and adjust planting schedules. They aim to increase yields over 7 metric tons per hectare compared to the current average of just a little over 4 metric tons. If successful, Philippine rice production could reach 25 million metric tons. This will ensure a higher supply of rice and lower prices. Alongside this, the P29 program and Rice for All program will continue, as well as the arrival of imported rice at lower tariffs, which help make rice more affordable.
We are seeing na 45 pesos na sa mga palengke ngayon. Meron nga ngayon nagbebenta at 42 na rin na nakikita kami. Pag nagtuloy-tuloy ito at yung mga imported rice will find its way to our retailers, it will have a significant impact then sa patuloy pa na pagbaba ng presyo.
Clazel Pardilia for the new and Better Philippines.